right? Honey, are you having trouble sleeping again?
Just had another one of those fucking nightmares.
Oh, honey. It's 2 times this week. Look, why don't you just take the day off work today, okay?
I can't afford to do that.
Honey, I don't think you can afford not to. Look at you. You're obviously not getting enough rest, and it has to be affecting your work. Honey, take the day off work today, please.
I can't. Don't do this to me, Deborah.
Hey, look, don't get mad at me. All I'm saying is that I think you need some rest. It's only been 6 months since the accident.
I know. Lately, I just can't seem to get to sleep without waking up in a cold sweat.
Do you want to talk about it?
No. This doesn't seem to help.
How would you even know if it helps? You know, you never even try it. Maybe if you were to talk a little bit more about what's going on in your life, you might not be so uptight.
Don't worry about me, Deborah. I'm sure I'll be all right.
There you go again. Why do you do this to me, Max? Damn it, open up to me. I am your wife.
I can't. I'm late for work.
How was work today, honey?
Fine.
Oh, Max, your mother called.
Oh?
Yeah. She says she misses you.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Don't you care? Don't you care what your mother had to say?
Yeah. What?
She said she misses you, Max. And she wonders why you never call. What the hell? What is it with you? Is it that you're just too damn busy to care about anybody else but yourself? Or is it that you just really don't care at all?
Damn it, Deb, you know how important this job is to me. When I make it, we'll have plenty of time to be together.
Yeah. Well, I hope we're still together when that time comes. So I don't know how much more of this shit I can take. Hi, honey. What are you doing home so early?
I've got a headache.
A headache? That's not like you. That's not like you.
I need a break. Earned it.
Boy, you sure have changed your tune.
What do you mean?
Well, you were just telling me about how important your work is to you, and how about all your time is needed to be devoted to it.
God, Deborah, can I take a damn vacation when I need to?
Hey, look, no one's arguing with you about that. All I said was that it's not like you to be home so early, okay?
Get off my case, will ya?
See, look, there you go again, keeping it all inside. What's your excuse going to be for not talking this time, Max? And don't tell me that it's your damn job, either.
I don't need this now! I've got a lot on my mind.
Yeah, well, it sure isn't me.
That's not true.
Then what is it? What the hell is going on with you, Max?
I don't know. Pressure, stress, anxiety. It's everything. I'm confused. I just can't seem to concentrate.
That's all I wanted. Was just for you to open up to me. I love you. Oh my God. Look at you. Eyes. Oh, Jesus, Max. Can I get you something? Can I get you something? Honey, what's going on with you?
I don't know. Help me, Dad. Help me.
Honey, I'm here.
I'll have Sandy transfer all of Mr. Nichols' calls to the house. And tell him I hope he feels better soon.
I sure will.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Honey, I know you've been working really hard. I'm glad you're taking the day off. You get some rest and call me if you need anything, okay? Bye. Hi. Max, are you all right? Oh, honey, aren't you feeling any better? Let me get you something to drink, okay? I'll be right back. I wish Max would open up and tell me what it is that's bothering him.
What? What do you wish?
Oh, what are you talking about?
Never mind. Just never mind.
Here, honey. Here, honey.
I can hear you.
Well, good. I hate to think you were going deaf, too.
No, that's not what I mean.
Then what do you mean, Max?
I don't know. I can't explain it. I can hear what you're going to say before you speak. Good morning.
Hi. You look like you're feeling better this morning.
Yeah, I do.
Does this mean you're going to go to work today?
Yeah, I think I will.
Good. I think it'll help you get things back in order. Hey, where are you going?
We'll make breakfast.
You never have time for breakfast.
Join me.
What are you making? What are you making?
Eggs. I'm making eggs. You want some?
I think I'll just have some cereal and juice.
Some cereal and juice?
How did you know that?
I told you. I have ESP.
I don't believe in ESP.
You don't, do you?
You let me speak? Oh, well, with my mouth, I mean. Look, Max, I don't know what's going on around here. But as long as you're feeling better, I guess that's good.
I am feeling better.
Good. Then let's stop fooling around, okay?
Okay.
Where'd you get this one, Deb?
Oh, my mom sent that to me the first year I spent Christmas at college.
You're lucky you and your mom are so close. My mother would never do something like that.
What about your wedding? Isn't she doing a lot for that?
Yeah, I guess. But she's just not as supportive as I think she could be. Deb, I'm scared.
Oh, don't be. I was afraid of the whole marriage thing, too. All you do is sit around and make up a bunch of dumb reasons why you shouldn't get married, and then you go ahead and do it anyway. So save yourself the misery.
Is it really that easy?
I don't know. All I'm saying is that if you've made up your mind to do it, stop worrying and do it.
Was Max nervous about your wedding?
Max has been so screwed up the last few days, I don't even know if he remembers our wedding.
What do you mean?
Well, for example, Max has got a great job, a beautiful house, money, me.
Yeah?
Yeah, well, he's still a wreck. Do you know, just this morning he was telling me that he thinks that he has ESP. Oh, can you believe it?
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. But if he doesn't pull himself together soon, I'm gonna have to do something.
Would you leave him?
I don't know, Grace. What would you do?
I don't know. I guess I would ask Max to use his ESP and tell me what to do.
Max, I'm sorry that it had to come to this, but I've had all I can take. You're obviously too busy for me right now, so I've decided to make it easy for you by leaving. I still love you, and truly hope you get whatever it is worked out. I'm staying at my mother's for the time being. Goodbye, Deborah. Oh my God. Max, what's wrong with you?
I am the wind. The wind is free. I am free.
How long have you been here?
I've been on this planet for a long time. It's hard to say how long. I'm absorbed by the earth at night and released by day.
Oh, Max. Max, come on, honey. I'm gonna get you some help, okay? Come on.
I'm always with you. In your heart and in your lungs. I travel through your body and into your soul.
Oh, Max. Come on, baby. Come on. Don't worry, Max. I'll get you some help.
We all need help. That is the reason we breathe the air I travel through.
The hospital's just ahead. Honey, don't worry. Everything's gonna be all right.
All right. If we allow the demons to control our lives, it will never be all right.
The hospital's just right up there, Max.
The air is the control we need to exorcise the demons from our soul.
I love you, Max.
When we control those demons, we have found our freedom. No!
Max, what happened, honey? What's the matter?
I just had one of those fucking nightmares.
Talk about it.
This time I sure do.